So today we will see the working with the return keyword. Okay, so let's see. Working with return keyword. Okay, return is a keyword in Python. The main objective of the main objective of return keyword function is a function can return another function while working with return keyword. If we are using return, we are using return keyword inside the function, that function is that function must be called inside the print function. Otherwise, none will be displayed. Okay, so wait a minute. So working with return keyword. Return keyword in Python. Return is a keyword in Python. The main objective of return keyword is a function can be written another function. Okay. While working with the return keyword, if we are using return keyword inside the function, then the function must be called inside the another function. Okay. Another function. Wait a minute. Print function called inside the print function, otherwise none will be displayed. Okay, so let's take an example for this. uh, let's take okay, so let's write the function first. We create the function. Okay, so here we write like this, we are written, and here, so wait, here we give what is meant by formal parameter, guys, what is meant by formal parameter? Anyone? Anyone? Guys,
One or more, one variable.
where we have to write the formal parameter, where we have to write the formal parameters. Okay, so here we take x1 and x2. Okay, then here we write return return x1 plus x2. Okay, like that we have to write. Then here we write if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals to underscore underscore main, and here we have to write print. Okay, when we call the function by using return, okay, so we have to call the function inside the print function. Okay, so here we write test case 1. Let's see what it gives, and here we have to write the values of x1 and x2. Here we write 100 and 100 and 200. Okay, so let's check what it will give. Okay, see it gives an addition of the numbers. Okay, see we call this addition, we got an, we take variables. Okay, this is a formal and this is a, which parameter is this? Anyone?
Actual per
Actual
Yes,
parameter.
this is an actual parameter. Okay, so by using return keyword. Okay, so let's copy this one. If we take here like here we can use any arithmetic operation we can use. Okay, if we use multiplication, it gives an multiplication of that number. So uh, like that we have to write the example for this. We can take one more example for this one. Let's copy this one also. Okay, like that we have to write, and we take one more simple example. uh, we remove the formal parameters, and in this return we write this is a test case 1. Okay, and here we print this test case 1. If when we use this return keyword inside the function, we have to print the function. Okay, let's see it will come or not. Okay, it will come. So like that we have to write. So let's see the next topic is arguments arguments in functional programming. Okay, arguments in functional programming we have to see. So there are 5 types of arguments. Okay, so the first one is positional positional argument. Second is default. Keyword argument. Then the next is variable argument. variable length. Here we have to use variable length. This is a variable length argument. This is a variable keyword variable length argument. Okay, it is known as kvla. Okay, kvla also in short form. So let's copy this all. So let's see the one by one. There are five types. Okay, positional argument, default argument, keyword argument, variable length argument, and keyword variable length argument. Okay, so let's see the first one. What is positional argument? So positional argument can be represented as it is it is an combination of formal and actual parameter. Okay, while working with positional argument, it will based on position of the variable. Okay, so it is a combination of anyone. It is the combination of formal and actual parameter. Okay, like same we yes in on Friday we saw this example already. Okay, so one more time we have to see in the positional argument. So let's take as a pass this one, and for this one also we have to use pass. Okay, so here we take PID, name, price, and one more we take company. Here we take print. Yes, we directly print the PIDs. We write PID. The P name is price. So let's say the company is, so like that we have to write, and here we have to print the function. Okay, so let's print. So we take 1001 and P name we take mobile, and we take a price as 23,000, and the companies we take Redmi. Okay, like this we have to write. So see the output is coming. Okay, so what the definition is says, uh, while working with positional argument, it will be based on the positions of the variables. Okay, if we change like here we take on place of mobile, we take on place of PID, we taken as an 1001. Okay, so it gives an p name as 1001. Okay, and the PID as mobile. Okay, so this is the disadvantage of the positional argument. See, it gives the PID is mobile. Okay, and p name is 1001. Okay, this is the disadvantage of positional argument. Okay, so for that, wait. Okay, this one is correct. So let's copy. So let's take one more example in this. If you use here return, uh, here we take, so we have to use return. Okay, then here we write the PID by using return keyword. Okay, we are writing now by using return keyword. Okay, yes, we are writing, then we write PID. Okay, then here we write return. The P name is, why it's not coming. Okay, we use only one time. Okay, we use return only single time. Okay, if you want so we have to write after this. Okay, so only we take PID for now. Not that much data we take, so it's considered as an, let's check now. Why it's not give, why it gives none data? Anyone? Why it gives none when we use return? Anyone? Pushpa? Pushpa, are you there? So when we use return, so we have to print the function. Okay, now it's come, now it's coming up. Why it gives error? Oh, we didn't give the actual parameter. Okay, see, it's coming. Okay, guys, hello.
Yes, sir.
So let's take and this one. So this is the two examples for the positional. Okay, so let's take and the default. So in default argument, so Python support default argument, default argument, default argument is used to uh, can be represent as if we are using formal parameter, we're using formal parameters with their values, then it is said to be default parameter. Okay, so while working with default argument, it must be placed on last position. Okay, so let's see the code for this. So Python support default argument. Default argument can be represented as if we are using formal parameter with their values, then it is said to be default parameter. Okay, while working with default argument, it is must be placed on last position. Okay, so let's see the example for this. The function is same. Okay, so here we have to take, like we are taking uh, what we have to take here. So we take the name, price, and we take a company. Okay, so here we write, the PIDs. Here we write PID. Name is name. Okay, the the price is. So here we have to write price, and the one more is there. The company name is. So here we have to write company. Okay, here we call this. Here we write the formal parameters. Okay, so here we can write like now we already taken print, so we don't have to write print here. We write test this one. Okay, then we take a PID value. Okay, then p name is we are taking mobile. Okay, if you want by default, if it will like it gives an random data. Okay, so we can write like this also. If you want, write price, not price, we have to write here. First we take the like this, and we can write like this also. Company equals to, we have to take Redmi. Okay, like that we can write. This is called as default argument. Okay, like that we can write. Okay, this is known as default argument. Okay, in functions, like that we have to write. We take always actual parameter in the last. Okay, default argument we take only in the last. Okay, we can't able to take here in first or on second position. Okay, okay, so like that we have to write. So this is known as a default. So we can take for the this one also. We can take for this also PID. Okay, and let's see why it gives error. Gotten
Price,
multiple value. What? Okay,
price,
price
price.
we have to take. Okay, price. Okay, so see it will come. Okay, if we want for all, first copy this one also. Okay, so we take. So here we have to write p name. can take like this, and PID for this one also we can take with PID equals to, okay, like that we can take. Okay, this is known as default. At the time of calling we give the all data types values. Okay, so this is known as an default argument. So the next one is there is one more example we have to. Okay, so let's see the keyword argument. Okay, any doubt guys till now? Any doubt? Any doubt guys? So let's see the keyword argument. Okay, so Python support keyword argument. It can be represent as if we are using actual parameter with the values at the time of, wait a minute, it can be represent as, if we are using actual, if we are using actual parameter with their values at the time of calling function, at the time of calling function, and it is said to be keyword argument. Okay, so like that we have to take, and we already saw this example in the default. Okay, so this example. Okay, so let's copy this one here also, same example for this keyword argument. Okay, so let's see, the next one is variable length argument. So in that we have to write, we can take the values also, means let's take one more example for this. Like we are using, here's the example now. Wait a minute, we can take like PID equals to, so PID is int we want. Okay, then we take input, then we write, enter the PID, name. Okay, so for name we have to write, enter the name. So input we have to take your float value we want. Okay, so here we write input, then we write enter the price, then company we take, So here we have to write input, then we take enter the company. Okay, like this we have to take, and here what we have to take, none. Okay, none we take. None we have to take. Okay, and here also we have to take a none. So like that we have to take. Okay, so here we take the, here where it gives error, input expect at most to argument on which line, PID. Okay, uh, what error it will give. Okay, okay, here we have don't want to write like this. Okay, now it is correct. So P name we take laptop, so price we take, so company is SC, we take as a HP laptop. Okay, so why didn't give this data, why didn't it give data, anyone, why we didn't got the data in the output, guys? So let's see the so here we have to write the print. Okay, so in print we have to write the PID is, like that we have to write, then here we write PID, then we take print, the P name is, so P name, the price is, the company is. Okay, so like that we have to write first. Okay, so here we writing one more, product information we have to write, then give the space between that. Okay, now it is coming. Okay, now it's come 1001 we take, then here we take the product name we take as an laptop. Okay, the price is we take 45,000, float value we take, and here we have to take the HP. Okay, see the data is coming. Okay, so this is the example of an default or not default keyword. Okay, so this is one more example for the default for keyword. Okay, so let's see the keyword or keyword variable length argument. Okay, variable length argument. Okay, first we have to see the variable length, then after keyword variable length argument. Okay, so for this what we have to write, Python support keyword argument. Python support keyword argument. Not keyword. Python support variable. Argument. We can define or declare variable argument. Variable length argument. So we can define or declare variable length argument using asterisk. Okay, variable length, variable name. Okay, after this we have to write the variable name. Okay, so the main objective of variable length argument is to read zero. Okay, zero or more number of zero or more than one number of argument. Okay, and perform operation as well. variable length variable length argument return the data in tuple format. Okay, so Python support variable length argument. We can define or declare variable length argument using asterisk followed by variable name. The main objective of variable length argument is to read zero or more than one number of argument and perform operation as well. Okay, variable length argument return the data into tuple format. What is tuple? Anyone? What is meant by tuple? What is meant by tuple? So what is meant by tuple? Anyone? How to define tuple? What are the properties of tuple? Anyone? What are the properties of tuple?
Insertion is preserved.
Yes, insertion is preserved.
Duplicate objects are allowed.
Yes.
Heterogeneous objects are allowed.
Hmm.
Tuple is mutable.
Tuple is
Immutable,
Yes, immutable.
not dynamic and not growable.
Hmm.
Indexing and slicing is applicable.
Indexing and slicing is applicable. So how to define tuple?
More than one object or group of objects.
Okay, so means which bracket we have to use?
Curly braces.
Ah,
Curly, sir.
curly braces.
No, sir. It's
Ah, we have to use parentheses or what we have to use?
Parenthesis.
Okay, parentheses we have to use, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You write the code for that. You did practice. You did practice on that.
I don't have laptop, sir.
Okay, so you read all these notes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's see the next one. The next topic is, so where we are, the Python support variable length argument. We can define or declare variable length argument using asterisk variable name. Okay. So the main objective of variable length argument to read zero or more than one number of argument and perform operation as well. Okay. So variable length argument return data into tuple. Okay. So what are the properties of list data type? Anyone? What are the properties of listed data type?
insertion is preserved.
Hmm.
Duplicates are allowed.
Duplicates are allowed. Hmm.
Heterogeneous objects are allowed.
Heterogeneous objects are allowed.
List scrollable and
Hmm.
dynamic.
Growable and
Mutable.
yes, mutable.
Dynamic.
So
Indexing and slicing.
okay, so how to define list?
Square brackets.
Hmm.
Square brackets.
Square brackets. Okay. So what is the difference between list and the tuple? Difference between list and tuple.
List is mutable, sir.
List is mutable.
But tuple is immutable.
Okay, this is the major difference. Okay, and one more difference is there.
Bracket. List is a square brackets and
Yes, correct.
Tuple is fast execution compared with list.
Hmm?
Tuple is fast execution compared with list.
Yes, it execute fast. Okay,
Fast.
and in list we use square bracket and in tuples we use parentheses. Okay,
parenthesis. Okay, sir.
and one more. What is the difference between set and list? What is the difference between list and set?
Curly brackets set is denoted. Set is immutable, sir.
Which one? Set is immutable.
Set is not
Okay, both are mutable, na? Both are mutables.
not.
Which one is the major difference? Major difference in list and set. In set, duplicates are allowed.
Not allowed, sir.
Not
Okay, in list,
list are allowed, sir. Duplicates are allowed.
duplicates are allowed in list. Okay, and insertion is preserved in list,
Yes, sir.
and in set,
Set
in
is
set,
curly brackets, sir.
in set, insertion is preserved.
Not preserved, sir. No.
What is meant by insertion is not preserved?
Input is not equal to output, sir.
Okay.
Input is
So
equal to output.
so if I use only empty curly braces with data type, it will give
Definition.
hmm,
Dictionary, sir.
dictionary. If we write the data inside that,
One curly bracket, sir.
if we write in curly braces, we write 101, 102, comma 103, comma 104, then with data type it will
Set data type, sir.
set data type. Okay. So in dictionary, what we have to write in dictionary?
Key and value, sir.
What is the what we call to key and value pair? Combination of key and value. Combination of key and value. Combination of key and value. What is the combination of key and value?
Items.
Hmm? Items. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what is the working of pop items
Pop.
in dictionary?
Adding.
Deleting, sir.
We remove last elements.
Yes, to remove the last element. Okay. And what is the working of pop in dictionary?
We display last element.
Okay. We remove and display the last element.
Last
Okay.
element.
Okay,
And
sir.
what is the working of for loop? Why we use for loop?
Repeating.
Hmm? Let's see the code for this. So let's take pass here.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Sir, your voice is not coming, sir.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. Sir, can you try rejoin? Your voice is not audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
On keyword variable length argument. Okay, so let's take Python. Suppose keyword variable length argument, the main objective of the main objective of keyword variable, main objective of keyword variable in argument, the main objective of keyword variable in the keyword variable length argument is to read the data in key and value, to read the data in key and value pair. Okay, key and value pair, and perform operation as well. We can define or declare keyword, define and declare keyword variable argument as follows. Okay, so we have to write like, we write the first one, def keyword, then in bracket we have to double asterisk, then variable name. Okay, variable name. Okay, like that we have to write. So let's see. Okay, so Python support keyword variable length argument. The main objective of keyword variable length argument is to read the data in key and value pair and perform operation as well. Okay, we can define or declare variable keyword variable length argument as follows. They double asterisk we have to use. Okay, then variable name. Okay, so let's see the example for this. So let's see the keyword variable length argument. So first we see the example on this. Here we have to write pass. Then here we use double asterisk and remove complete this. Then we use for loop for x2 in x1 we write. Then here we write print. No, here we take x1 and x3. And here we write x1, x2, comma. Then here we write like this. Then here we write x3. Okay, so let's see. Here we are writing print, not print. We have to write here. We have to call the function. First we call the empty one. Then we write print. Then here we give 100. Not like that. We have to write. Here we are writing like PID equals to 1001. Then pname equals to, we are writing here mobile 1. Then here we are writing price equals to 23. And here we write company equals to, here we are writing, now we take Nokia. Okay, then we take print, and here we are writing test case 1 and PID equals to 1002. Then name equals to laptop. Price equals to, we take 45,000. Then we take company. Then we take, okay. So like that we can write. Like that we have to write. Okay. So let's see where it gives error. X1 and X2 is okay. So here we have to write dot items. How it is correct. It gives the data. Okay. In the which format it gives data? Guys, in which format we got the data? In key and value. So in which data type we got an key and value pair?
Dictionary data type.
Okay. Okay. So like that we can fetch the dictionary data. Okay. So this is the example of keyword argument. Okay. So give the attendance now.